Hi, I'm Keon, and I'm back with another integral from the 2016 MIT Integration Bee. I'm going to show you how to solve this integral. So we have the integral from pi over 3 to pi over 2 of 1 minus cosine x over sine x. So what I'm going to do is actually do a substitution. So I'm going to let u to be equal to cosine x. And so as a result, we can see that if we differentiate both sides, we get du to be equal to the derivative of cosine is negative sine x, and then multiplying by dx. And so since we have the integration bounds, we have to also change those. So when x is pi over 2, we see that cosine of pi over 2 is 0. And when x is pi over 3, cosine of pi over 3 is 1/2. And then since we have a negative sign, we have also a negative. And this becomes 1 minus u, since we are dividing, we want to write this integral in terms of du. We get 1 minus u over, and then this sine x times sine x becomes sine squared x. Sine squared x. But since our integration, the integral is in terms of u, we have to do something to turn this sine squared x in terms of u. So we see that u is equal to cosine x. So if we square both sides, we see that u squared is equal to cosine squared x. And using the Pythagorean identity of cosine squared x plus sine squared x, if we subtract 1 from both sides, so 1 minus this and 1 minus this, we see that 1 minus u squared is precisely equal to sine squared x. So this is the same as the integral, and I can use the property of integral to change the bounds and then bring this negative. So this is the same as the integral from 0 to 1/2 and then it becomes 1 minus u over, and I'm going to write 1 minus u squared as the difference as factored of 1 minus u times 1 plus u. 1 plus u. And now we can see that these cancel out, and so we have to take the integral of 1 over 1 plus u, which we get natural log of absolute value, since we don't want the natural log to be negative inside. And then we have to plug in from 0 to 1 over 2. So if you plug in 1 over 2, we get ln of 3/2, and then minus the ln of 1 is just ln of 3/2. So our final answer is just ln of 3 over 2. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel, and goodbye.